What if your stress is not just in your mind? What if your anxiety is not just emotion? What if the tension you feel every day is energy that needs balance? Millions of people deal with stress, racing thoughts, tight chest, restless sleep, overthinking, emotional exhaustion. Some try meditation, some try breathing exercises, some try silence. But there are natural crystals that many people quietly keep close because they believe these stones help calm the mind, steady the heart, and soften emotional storms. Today we explore 5 powerful crystals often used for anxiety and stress relief. But there is one crystal in this series, one that many people underestimate, and once you understand why it works differently, you may never look at stress the same way again. Let's begin. 1. Amethyst, the quiet mind stone. Amethyst is one of the most trusted crystals for calming energy. It has a soft purple glow, sometimes light lavender, sometimes deep violet, but its appearance is not the only reason people are drawn to it. Amethyst is often called the stone of peace. Many people keep it near their bed. Some place it under their pillow. Others wear it as a necklace close to the heart. People say amethyst helps slow racing thoughts. When anxiety builds, the mind often feels loud. Amethyst is believed to bring quiet to that noise. It does not force calm, it encourages it. The purple color itself feels soothing, gentle, balanced, not overwhelming. Some people hold amethyst during meditation. They focus on breathing. They allow the mind to slow down. Others place it on their desk during work. They say it helps reduce mental pressure. Amethyst is also linked to better sleep. Stress often shows up at night. When the world becomes quiet, the mind becomes louder. Many people say amethyst helps them feel safer during those moments. Calmer, more grounded. It does not erase problems, but it may help soften the emotional weight. Amethyst is simple, accessible, gentle, and for many, that is enough. But amethyst works in one specific way that most people don't fully understand, and we will return to that later. 2. Rose quartz, the emotional soother. Rose quartz carries a soft pink tone. It looks gentle, warm, comforting. This crystal is often called the stone of love, but not just romantic love. It is connected to self-love, compassion, emotional healing. Stress is not always about work or responsibility. Sometimes stress comes from emotional pain, from conflict, from feeling not enough. Rose quartz is believed to help soften emotional tension. Some people place it over their heart during rest. Others carry it in their pocket during difficult conversations. The idea is simple. When emotions feel sharp, rose quartz encourages softness. It does not push feelings away, it creates space for them. Anxiety often grows when we fight our emotions. Rose quartz invites acceptance. It reminds the body that it is safe to feel. Some people describe a warm sensation when holding it. Others say they feel calmer just seeing its soft color. Its smooth surface feels comforting to touch. Grounding, steady. Rose quartz is often used during times of grief or emotional stress. It helps people reconnect with kindness toward themselves, because sometimes the harshest voice during anxiety is our own. Rose quartz gently quiets that voice. But there is something about emotional energy that most people ignore, and one of the next crystals works directly with that hidden layer. 3. Lepidolite, the balance stone. Lepidolite may not be as famous as other crystals, but many people who deal with anxiety quietly seek it out. Its color ranges from soft lilac to grayish purple. Sometimes it contains tiny sparkling flakes. Lepidolite is often associated with emotional balance. Stress can feel like a wave. It rises quickly, it crashes hard. Lepidolite is believed to help smooth those waves. Some people keep it near them during major life changes. Moving, new jobs, relationships, uncertainty, because change often triggers anxiety. Lepidolite is connected to calm transitions. It encourages emotional stability, not sudden peace, but steady grounding. Many people hold lepidolite during breathing exercises. They say it helps them stay present instead of drifting into worry. Its energy is described as stabilizing, like standing on solid ground after chaos. Some crystal users place lepidolite near electronics. They believe it helps soften environmental stress. Whether that belief is symbolic or energetic, the comfort remains real to them. Lepidolite is quiet, not flashy, not dramatic, but steady, and sometimes steady is what anxiety needs most. Yet there is a deeper layer of stress, the kind that sits in the body, the kind that tightens muscles, the kind that blocks relaxation. And the next crystal begins to work there. 4. Blue lace agate, the gentle voice. Blue lace agate has soft blue bands, like calm water lines. Its appearance alone feels peaceful. Many people associate anxiety with communication, unspoken words, fear of judgment, difficulty expressing feelings. Blue lace agate is often called the communication calm stone. It is believed to help ease nervous speech, public speaking fear, difficult conversations. When anxiety sits in the throat, blue lace agate is often chosen. Some people wear it as a necklace. Others hold it before meetings. Its energy is described as cooling, soothing, like a calm breeze. Stress sometimes rises because emotions stay trapped. Blue lace agate encourages gentle expression. Not aggressive, not forceful, just honest. People say it helps them speak clearly without panic. It reduces the tight feeling in the chest, the rush in the voice, the tension in the jaw. It promotes slow communication, soft communication, balanced communication. And when communication becomes calm, the body often follows. But there is one final crystal in this series, one that works in a very different way. It does not calm like the others. It does not soothe like the others. It grounds deeply. And grounding might be the missing piece most people never consider. 5. Black tourmaline, the grounding shield, to be continued. Black tourmaline looks simple, dark, solid, strong. But many people who deal with anxiety say this crystal feels powerful. Unlike soft pink or gentle purple stones, black tourmaline feels protective. Stress often feels like being overwhelmed by outside energy. Too much noise, too many demands, too many expectations. Black tourmaline is believed to act like a shield. It is connected to grounding, to stability, to feeling rooted. Some people place it near doorways. Others keep it in their bag. They say it helps them feel less affected by chaos around them. Anxiety pulls attention outward. Black tourmaline pulls attention downward. Back into the body, back into the present moment, back into stability. It is not soft, it is strong. And that strength feels different from the other crystals. But there is something deeper about grounding, something that changes how the nervous system responds to stress. And once you understand that connection, you may see anxiety in a completely different way. Why color matters more than you realize. Look at the 5 crystals again. Purple, pink, lilac, soft blue, deep black. Each color affects the mind differently. Purple is often linked to mental clarity. Pink is connected to warmth and comfort. Blue slows emotional intensity. Black creates stability. When you hold a crystal, your eyes see that color. Your brain processes it instantly, even before your thoughts catch up. Soft colors often lower emotional tension. Dark colors often create a feeling of safety. Bright colors can increase alertness. This is not just about belief. Color psychology has been studied for years. When someone holds rose quartz, they see soft pink. That color alone may reduce emotional harshness. When someone holds blue lace agate, the gentle blue may slow breathing. The stone becomes a visual reminder, a physical cue, a focus point. And focus is powerful, because anxiety grows when attention scatters. When attention becomes focused, the mind begins to settle. Using the 5 crystals as a system. Most people choose one crystal, but some use them as a cycle. Morning clarity, Amethyst. Midday grounding, black Tourmaline. Emotional reset, rose Quartz. Communication calm, blue lace Agate. Life transition balance, Lepidolite. Each stone supports a different layer of stress: mental, emotional, physical, social, environmental. When used intentionally, they create rhythm, and rhythm creates stability. Stability reduces anxiety. But there is still one unanswered question. Why do some people feel immediate relief, while others feel nothing at all? That difference reveals something deeper about stress itself.